Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, we are going to learn how to use heading element of the Elementor. So let's get started. First step we have to learn is to arrange the heading. For that we need sections. You can directly drag and drop to adjust the heading whole section. You can even drag and drop inside the columns. For that you need to add sections. Inside that, how many sections you want. Let's say I want 2 sections or 3 sections. It's here, if you'll see, it's defined in the whole area. You can even change the width of this area by going to setting and then go to page layout and then change it to full width and then say update draft. So you'll see the whole area width increases. Now we want 2 sections or 3 sections, is depend upon our design. So for now I'm going to teach 2 sections, and then in the both the sections either you can add something in this area or something in this area. It's all up to you. For that we are going to click this option and then again we are going to drag and drop. Now you can add 2 headings according to our design, or you can drag and drop anything, image, buttons, videos, as per your design. So now we'll learn how to edit these sections. So I'll click here and then you can type the text here. I type hi Go Mahamaya, thanks for the tutorial, and then you have option to paste link. So if you'll click on this text where the title will redirect to, for that we have a link. If you'll click on the setting, you can choose open the link in a new tab, add no follow. These are option to, if you don't want to give your SEO juice to the other website, then you should choose no follow. If it's related to your own website, don't choose no follow. And open a new window is always preferable. After typing the text, if you are using Elementor Pro, then you will see dynamic tags in this area. If you click here, you can see post ID, post excerpt, post date. If you enter these things, it will automatically fetch post date or what are the post ID. These things is going to fetch automatically. So let's say I want to put post date, so it's going to describe or display the post date instead of writing the whole concept. So as of now I'm deleting that, and then we have an option for URL. Let's say I want to redirect it to trysiteprice.com and then click on the option, open in a new tab, and it's my own website related link, so I'm not choosing add follows. Then we have option of the size. If it's a heading, add size of the title. So title size you can manage from here: small, medium, large, XL, double XL. So always preferable is default. Next, HTML tag. So if it's the main heading, you have to choose H1. If it is a subheading, you can change the size of that after choosing HTML tag H1, and you can change it to the medium or you can change it to the large to make it according to your design. And next we have, like, you can choose H2, H3, H4 is for the SEO purposes. You can change the alignment of the text. If I'll click here, you can see alignment of the text is right, left, center, middle, everything you can do from the alignment. If you'll click on this area, there's a desktop button. You can change the alignment for the tablet. Let's say you have defined for the desktop, it's in the center. If it's a mobile tablet, I want the text to display in justified. If it's mobile, I want the text to display in left section. So you can see how the text is changing based on your device. It's center in case of desktop, and tablet is justified, and then we have mobile left side. Next we have style. You can change the color according to your design. Let's say I'm choosing this color for my text, and then you can choose the topography. like font family you can choose, font weight, even sizes you can vary from mobile or desktop or tablets. Is depend upon your requirements. You can make the variations in the sizes. You can choose the weight of the font and transform its uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. It's already capitalized, I won't go for uppercase. It will always show the text in the uppercase. And then we have style. You can choose italic, normal, oblique. So these are the styles. Font family is given, style is given. You can manage latest spacing, line height, and word spacing. So it's all up to you how you want to design it. By default, all the set feature is good except the font family you can choose for your website. And make sure you're giving one font family to almost all your text. Next we have text stroke. You can manage it from here, like text stroke, and then you can add shadow, blur, horizontal, vertical, like whatever you want you can add it from here. And then we have blend mode. Now for learning blend mode, we have to add a background, either it's a text or the image you can add in the background to get the blend effect of the text. So for that we are going to add one background to this. Go to this section and then choose classic and then choose image. Select the image, insert media, and now choose the position of the images, center, like whatever you want. And now click on edit text, go to the blend mode, and you'll see the effect blending with the background changing just by choosing the blend mode. Light, color dose, it's matching with the background. So you are going to add some extra effect when you choose blend mode. You can even choose, go to this section, add one gradient color, choose a gradient color yellow, light some color you should choose, and next we'll click second color, and then again we'll choose light color for this work. Okay, now go and edit again this section and we'll choose blend mode. You'll see how the color is changing with the background. So this is how blend mode work. Without changing the color, it's adjust with the background and blending effect will come. Blending effect gives more better impression when you are using images in the background. And then we have advanced section margin, and all these I'm going to explain in a separate videos. Till now, I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.